Unfortunately, GRC folks are not doing or playing a role of educator. Everybody has misunderstood GRC as some compliance analyst only reaches out to us when they need some sort of evidence to fulfill some audit requirements. That's the common misconception. It's a very tactical representation of the facts. But if we look at GRC is absolutely essential function for any organization. The G in GRC, governance. If we do not govern our own risk, our own security investment, either against a compliance standard or the company's homegrown standard, then how we will find out how we are doing, right? If we don't measure, if we don't transparently communicate, how do we know our cyber investments are giving us the bucks we desire? So governance is non-negotiable, absolutely important. Now about risk? I told you, risk has multi-dimensional things. Every CISO, every security department simply inherits existing risk from legacy. Companies exist 20, 30, 40 years and we carry all that legacy risk. Then we have existing goals. Then we have future risk. So risk is absolutely important to stay on top of, not just the quarterly risk review, but we have to go more granular. And compliance, again, very, very misunderstood. The technical folks do not value compliance. They think compliance is a checklist. Yes, it could be a checklist, but look at the value and impact. Compliance is not a security function. Compliance is a pre-sales function. It allows the organization to enter newer territories. It opens up newer market segments for that organization. It's a business enabler. And it is absolutely important for security engineering orgs to fulfill the compliance due diligence needed under the umbrella of GRC. So when GRC folks will invest time into talking about why GRC function exists beyond the tactical things, I think the Dunning-Kruger effect will get removed and everybody will be on the same page. And this is where automation will turn more into a sophisticated compliance engineering, where it's not a random request, but a more systematic flow of information.